Hi, Charlotte Smith here with BladenOnline.com. I have Bradley Kinlaw, Bladen County Director of Emergency Services, on the line in Hawaii. Thank you for joining us, Bradley.
Hey, good morning, Charlotte. Thank you.
I appreciate your time. You are there helping with the volcano, the Kilauea volcano. Can you give us an update?
Sure. Over the last 3 nights or so, the fissures, which is what's producing all this lava, have been very active. We've done supported several major evacuations, especially over the last 3 nights, and they continue pouring lava today and looking at cutting the third and final egress route to the lower community off today at some point. So it's been very, very busy the last 3 days or so.
Now, there have been rumors that the Kilauea volcano lava has actually covered a geothermal plant, which is the first in history that I'm aware of. Is this true?
The lava did, it started to cover onto the property of this plant a couple days ago, and this is something we've been working on since we got here. And then yesterday it did cover numerous wells and destroyed a lot of their infrastructure, their buildings, their equipment. Yesterday with no issues as far as chemical releases that were potentially expected when this happened.
So there were no chemicals released that has been found or proven?
Correct. From the TGV plant. That's correct.
Can you tell me about how many people you guys have evacuated due to the volcano?
They have a large area under a mandatory evacuation. However, still allowing residents to come and go. And overall, it's probably been in the neighborhood of 2,500 folks. And each of the last 3 nights, it's been a different area. They've had to go door to door, evacuate these folks. And in some cases, do some rescues and to get folks out. So it's been a pretty big operation for their troops that are on the ground here the last 3 nights. I know they're ready for a break.
Right. So when you say troops, is the armed forces there, or is it just emergency responders?
Well, we have fire, EMS, law enforcement, there, wildlife folks, the Guard, Hawaii National Guard. I think has about 450 troops here supporting operation, as well as a few other smaller military assets are here as well. All joining together under our big evacuation plan to support these operations.
Now, Bradley, when we first spoke, you said that you were on a 2-week tour, if you would say, of helping out Hawaii. Now, there's been flooding in the western part of North Carolina, and I know that you're on a team with some other North Carolinians, emergency service personnel. Have you been helping out in the western part of the state, even though you're stationed now in Hawaii?
We did have to come in last night and help one of our team members with some mapping to support some major operations he had going, and he actually demobilized today and had to fly back to his county in western North Carolina to start the recovery process there.
Mm. So one of your team members had to leave due to the flooding here in the.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
All right. Well, we appreciate your time and your service.
Yeah, thank you so much. I've never been so ready to see Blaine County.
Well, we'll be glad to have you back home.
Good. Well, we got another North Carolina team coming in to backfill us on Saturday, so we're looking forward to seeing those folks and getting them off and running.
That's good. All right. Well, take care, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.